Signal routing for UXA4416 can be configured in resolution. First, enter the Edit window of the amplifier in Network Configuration view. Please note that a gray box must be loaded to access all assignments and settings on the input channel. You'll first want to assign all your inputs and outputs. With a gray box loaded, click on Configure In and Out. When using analog, A1 through A4 will be available to rename and utilize. When Enable Digital AES and EBU is checked, this allows for inputs D1 through D4, disabling A3 and A4 for these digital assignment options. Under AES EBU link outputs, it's possible to assign each output to an input. In the configurable areas labeled 1 through 4, select an input assignment. Direct mode is used for dedicated digital outputs. Assignments are D1 through D4 inputs on D1 through D4 outputs. Click on the Dante tab to assign inputs to available Dante channels. Double-click under Dante channel names to rename the input, then select an available channel by clicking on the Pencil Edit button next to the Dante channel dialog. With the inputs configured, click on the Routing tab next to In and Out. Main input will use the main input configured below. Backup input will default the backup source configured below. Main and backup will combine both sources into the input. Auto-select pilot tone will select the main input if sound is detected at the user-specified level, and auto-select AES presence will select the main input if an AES signal is detected. Expand pilot tone to enable, then set the frequency and Q value, as well as the gate threshold and release. The pilot tone is defined by sampling the main input using a notch filter and gating that signal to detect the minimum threshold at which a signal is detected.